Yeah,
I told you that
it's
I
Mr.
love
Blue,
you.
man.
Please believe me. Please believe
Yeah.
me.
M-E-R-K,
Blue, I
AKA
told you that I
Mr.
love
Blue,
you.
man.
Please believe me.
Yeah,
Please believe
Yeah.
me.
type of shit you can't bump in your living room. And if you fuck with me, you know I'll fuck with you. I'm really that nice, it's really nothing new. Win or lose, in my first interview, I'ma make sure I shout out to Mr. Blue. That's what I'm finna do, haven't hit my pinnacles, but I'ma blow up like an inner tube. Boy, I been a crook, and y'all been some fools, but I'ma make it though. I'm paper chasing, yo. I'm sick of saving, yo. Trying to cop everything that I'm craving, yo. So crank it up and let your neighbors know Mr. Blue is that dude.
Mr.
Word up.
Blue, I told you that I love you. Please
Hey, I believe you,
believe
baby.
me.